You would move to the Cook Islands for good blue pools. Welcome to Quick Twists on Fluent American, where we look at one or two sounds and study them with a quick practice sentence. My name is Geoff, and today we're looking at the sound, like in book, and the sound, like in food, food. Let's begin by looking at the mouth position for like in book. Notice firstly that my lips are more straight, so make your lips go this way. They're not round, they're straight. Also, the back of your tongue back here is high, and the front of your tongue down. Back high, front down. So again, straight lips, back of your tongue high, front of your tongue down. Book. Compare this to the sound of food, food. Already you should be able to see my lips are small and round, so make a small circle with your lips. The back of your tongue is high and the front of your tongue is down, but the key is making small round lips. Food. Pull, pool, foot, food.
1, 2, 3.
You would move to the Cook Islands for good blue pools. Blue pools. Good blue pools. You would move. Cook. You would move to the Cook. You would move to the Cook Islands for good blue pools. That concludes this video's look at the and the sound. To get more detailed information about both of these sounds though, be sure to check out our Broken English series, where we look at one sound and really focus on it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Also be sure to check out our social media pages above, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I especially encourage you to join our Facebook group, where you can be active in joining our discussion and posting audio files to kind of check yourself. Lastly, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on the latest videos come out. My name is Geoff. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video. You take care.